£370 for a new Omega leather strap. That's what I was quoted to replace the aging leather strap that my Speedmaster came on. And that's just the leather parts. No new buckle. OEM straps are so expensive, almost prohibitively so. IWC tried to charge me £270 to replace a leather strap. Breitling leather starts at £150 and there's no buckle. Tag straps £200, Oris is £130, and don't even get me on to Rolex replacement costs. When all seems lost and it looks like your Speedmaster is about to float off into space, don't worry, because I want to tell you about a top quality alternative leather strap, which I now use on several high value watches. Here at WatchGecko.com, you're normally subjected to me talking about watches, but of course if you do follow our company profile, you'll know that our core business is actually straps. We've been making premium quality replacement straps since about 2012, and in fact it was right back then when I first started wearing a military nylon and discovered this brand. Leather straps are something we take huge personal pride in, and we partner ourselves with manufacturers who build to the highest possible standards, because we really do believe that a leather strap can be a beautiful thing and not just a means of attaching a watch to your wrist. We're talking about an integral part of the whole design of the watch. It really frustrates us when we review expensive watches with straps that just look like an afterthought. Today I'm here to talk to you about a specific leather strap which has been the backbone and bestseller of the WatchGecko portfolio since day one. This is of course the Highley. The Highley has grown into three distinct models now: the original, the classic and the flat. All Highleys are made from certified vegetable grain, full grain Italian leather. Our partnership is with a consortium of tanneries in Tuscany who exclusively uses natural plant-derived tannins and centuries-old techniques to create quality-controlled sustainable leathers. As a result, the Highley strap will continue to develop patina and only gets better as it wears in and begins to age. Irrespective of variant, this handmade strap features a cut edge, finished with colour-matched paint for a seamless finish, which also helps prevent moisture penetration and improve durability. It also has quick-release spring bars as standard. As I said earlier, we have three variants of the strap, and each one has been carefully conceived to best complement different watch case sizes. So for example, if we take the original Highley, which has got 6mm padding, this works really well with slightly larger tool watches like the Rolex Submariner, Omega Speedmaster, or the Omega Seamaster. If we take the classic Highley, which has got a revised 4mm padding, then this works perfectly with slimmer cased watches, for example my 16570 Rolex Explorer 2 or my Tudor Black Bay 58. And finally we have a new Flat Highley, which has a 2mm pad, and this is really designed to work with more vintage watches with smaller cases or dress watches where 6mm padding would just look completely wrong. Maybe a 1960s vintage Seamaster, or how about a Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical? Of course all these straps, irrespective of model, are made in exactly the same way and to the same standard. It's available in 18mm to 22mm lug widths and is offered in a vast colour palette covering browns, blacks, greens and blues. Not only does the Highley act as a first-class replacement strap for these watches, in many cases I think it actually enhances the appearance of the watch. Because of the colour palette choices, you can tailor it to make the watch look, dare I say, even better than it looked on the strap it originally came with. We've done this with a few of our personal watches. The best example is probably my colleague Anthony, who fitted a Highley to his vintage Rolex Oyster, and we both said the watch had never looked so good. The Highley range are probably one of our most successful products to date and well worth checking out if you're looking for a real high quality replacement strap for your treasured watch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you soon for some more watch chat.